Welcome to the Traitwise Question Editor tutorial. You manage all of your questions in Question Editor. We will begin by creating questions for My First Survey. We start by clicking the Add a Question button here. Adding questions is easy, and questions can be organized into segments on the left. Once the question dialog box is open, you may select a question type. You may select from multiple choice, spectrum, matrix, checklist, free text, or an information panel. First, click the question body and type the question. For example, I listen to music, and click Done. We recommend making questions in the first person. As our research has shown, people will answer many more questions this way. Second, click the responses and type your response choices, or select from the standard options provided to you, such as frequency, or in this case, we will select time, and click Done. These are the only steps required to create a new question. You can control the presentation of the questions with these checkboxes. We will explore these options in the Advanced Question Editor tutorial. You have other options as well, such as uploading images that can be used in the survey. You may cancel any changes you made to the question. You will save your edits when you have completed creating the question. And you can set up requirements that allow you to only present this question if the user has answered another question in a specific way. We will click Save now to complete this question. At any time, you can edit this question by clicking the pencil edit icon or duplicate the question by clicking the copy icon. Now let's create a second question for the survey. This time we will create a spectrum question to assess the user's preference between two music genres, jazz and country. Use the introduction to explain spectrum questions to users and click Done when complete. Next, type in the question body, then type in the two responses, and save the question. Now that you have finished the question, you may use segments to organize your questions, even reuse questions you've already created. Click the View All link to see all segments in your account. Now you can access the questions created in the free Sample Satisfaction Survey. Let's activate the introduction segment by clicking the On button and then change the view back to active. You may click the segments to see the questions included in each one, and you may reorder segments by dragging them to the desired location. When you launch your survey, the segments will be presented in order to the user. Within each segment, you may select to present the questions randomly or sequentially by clicking the Order icon. As an alternative, you may want to include a question from the introduction segment directly in segment 1. You can drag a question from one segment to another. When the blue dotted line appears, you may drop the question into the new segment. You may deselect the introduction segment by clicking the green On button icon. Next, you can reorder questions by dragging a question to the desired location, and our short survey is complete. Thank you, and please feel free to continue exploring the question editor yourself.